I felt that they were definitely lying and, doing it for purposes of protecting the county.
A cyclist who was run over by an Arapahoe County dump truck says county employees then tried to blame it on him. But a jury didn't buy that and has given that man the largest award possible under the law.
Julie Hayden, the only reporter to talk with the victim in a story you're going to see only on Fox 31 Denver. Julie?
You know, Jeremy, this was not the first accident we've learned. In the 18 months before he hit the cyclist, the same man had 3 other accidents while driving an Arapahoe County dump truck. And we learned he's still driving today, only now in a bigger truck. To call Mark Stecker an avid cyclist is putting it mildly.
My bicycling days go back to my childhood years.
He used to compete in as many as 30 triathlons a year. He'd ridden his bike through the intersection of Gun Club and Quincy Road hundreds of times.
I had an event coming up that weekend, as I did most weekends.
In July of 2013, Arapahoe County workers were doing construction at the intersection. Stecker was riding his bike westbound, approaching the intersection, when a dump truck driven by Arapahoe County employee David Doherty tried to cut through the cone zone. He knocked Stecker over, and then the truck, all 50,000 pounds of it, ran over him, crushing his legs.
I can honestly say that there was a thought ran through my mind that this just might be, my last breath of life.
He was in the hospital for 2 weeks, had numerous surgeries, skin grafts, and doctor's visits. Medical bills ran into the hundreds of thousands of dollars. His attorney says Arapahoe County refused to take responsibility, and county employees even concocted a story blaming Stecker.
From that moment, I believe they closed ranks and decided to stick to their story in order to protect themselves and one of their employees at the expense of one of their citizens.
But jurors held Arapahoe County accountable and gave Stecker the biggest award the law allows, $350,000. Now, this was Doherty's 4th accident in 18 months driving a dump truck for Arapahoe County. He's still driving one today.
And despite the fact he's been in these prior accidents, despite the fact that he crushed one of the citizens' legs, they let him keep driving. And frankly, I think that is a danger to the community.
Now, we asked the county about that, and their statement that they sent us says all incidents are reviewed, and they say the driver was not assessed any points or given any tickets and meets all federal and state transportation guidelines. And they add, while they respect the jury decision, they are still of the view that their driver was not at fault. Julie Hayden, Fox 31 Denver.
Thank you, Julie.